Next, 7th Roman, first question, what is measurement? Take page number 1. Third line, it is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. It is the process of finding means கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது an unknown physical quantity நமக்கு தெரியாத physical quantity by using a standard quantity மூலமா நம்ம ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் உடைய quantity measure பண்றோம், that is measurement. Okay, the standard quantity means length, meter, length measure பண்ணக்கூடியது meter, mass measure பண்ணக்கூடியது kilogram. ஓகேவா? இப்போ இந்த தெரிஞ்ச நம்ம quantity மூலமா தெரியாத ஒன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம், that is measurement. Again repeat, it is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Okay, then second question, name the 3 scales of temperature. Page number 3. Page number 3, the last paragraph, Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. There are 3 scales you have to measure the temperature. Okay, what they are? Celsius, Fahrenheit. I'll repeat, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. 3 of them have to measure the temperature, but the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay, then third question, define ampere. Page number 3. Here page number 3 and 4. Okay, 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current flowing is said to be an 1 ampere. 1 coulomb of charge. Okay, this is formula, I is equal to Q by T. Q is the charge. So 1 coulomb charge is flowing through a conductor, any one conductor, in 1 second. So Q by T. Q is a charge, T is a time. Coulomb, charge means 1 coulomb, 1 second. ஒரு செகண்டில் ஒரு கூலும் சார்ஜ் ஒரு கண்டக்டரில் ஃப்ளோ ஆகுது, அது பேர் தான் 1 ஆம்பியர், பிகாஸ் எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்டோட SI யூனிட் ஆம்பியர். ஓகே, ஸோ 1 கூலும் ஆஃப் சார்ஜ் இஸ் ஃப்ளோயிங் த்ரூ எ கண்டக்டர் இன் 1 செகண்ட், தென் த அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் கரண்ட் ஃப்ளோயிங் இஸ் said to be an 1 ஆம்பியர். ஓகே, தென் fourth question, what is electric current? Page number 3, the same paragraph, electric current. Flow of electric charges in a particular direction is known as electric current. Flow of electric charges, the charge means Q, plus minus. Okay, the flow, ஒரு charge flow ஆனுச்சு, மூவ் ஆகும்போது வரக்கூடியதான் current. So flow of electric charges in a particular direction, one direction, okay, is known as electric current. The magnitude of electric current is the amount of electric charges flowing through a conductor in 1 second. 1 secondல நமக்கு charge வந்து flow ஆயிட்டிருக்கு. Okay, so electric current equal to amount of electric charge divided by time. The formula is electric current denoted I. Okay, amount of electric charge means Q, time T. Okay, the electric charge is measured in coulomb. Then SI unit of electric current is ampere. Okay, the charge is difference between the electric current. Okay, the charge move ஆனாதா current நமக்கு ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். Okay, இப்போ சார்ஜ்ங்கிறது டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேர்டு, எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட்டுங்கிறது டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேர்டு. Okay, இந்த எலக்ட்ரிக் சார்ஜ் measured in coulomb, the SI unit of electric current is ampere. It denoted A. Okay, are you understand? Then fifth question, what do you mean by luminous intensity? What is the meaning of luminous? Yes, luminous means light. Okay, page number 4. Page number 4, the fourth line, the measure of the power of emitted light by a source in a particular direction per unit solid angle as luminous intensity. Solid angle means the 3 dimension. Okay, ஒரு solid angle 3 dimensionல ஒரு லைட் சோர்ஸ்லேருந்து வரக்கூடிய லைட் எமிட்டட் மீன்ஸ் ரிலீஸ். ஓகே, த பவர் ஆஃப் எமிட்டட் லைட். ஒரு லைட்லேருந்து வரக்கூடிய பவர் வந்து மெஷர் பண்ணக்கூடியதான் என்ன, லூமினஸ் இன்டென்சிட்டி. The measure of power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle as luminous intensity. Already we know the SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. It denoted CD. Okay. Okay ma. Next is sixth question. Define mole. Page number 4. Page number 4. Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 the power of 23 entities. The entities means atom, particles, molecules. Okay, these are entities. Mole is defined as amount of substance. ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்டில் எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்குன்ற சொல்கிறது தான் மோல். ஓகே, that is which contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. It denoted as mole. Okay, next 7th question. What is the difference between plane angle and solid angle? Page number 5. Page number 5. It is the angle made at the point of intersection of two lines or planes. Two lines or planes, that is plane angle. The same, it is the angle by the intersection of three or more planes. Three or more planes at a common point, that is solid angle. Okay, it is a two dimension, that is a 3 dimension. Unit is radian, unit is radian. Two lines nala 2 dimension, the 3 or more, that is 3 dimension. Unit is radian, unit is radian. That's all. This is a 2 mark question. Next 5 mark question. Next, detail, list out the base quantities with their units. Take page number 2. Okay. Take page number 2. Base quantities and unit. 8th Roman first question. Okay. Already we know there are 7 base quantities. What they are? Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay. The unit is length for meter. The symbol is m. These and all mug up only. Okay. No way. Have to only write. Okay, the mass kilogram, the symbol kg, small letter. Time second, symbol small s. Temperature Kelvin, symbol capital K. Electric current ampere, symbol capital A. This is very important. The small letter or capital letter, that is very important. Then amount of substance mole, symbol is MOL. Luminous intensity candela, then symbol is CD. Okay, then second question, write a short note on different types of clocks. Okay, this is a big question, so you have to study paragraph. Okay, like that. First, clocks are used to measure time intervals. Okay, this is first point. The clocks are used to measure time intervals. Then so many clocks are being used from ancient time. Scientists have modified the mechanism of the clocks every time to obtain accuracy. This is no need to write. Okay, this line. Okay, this one all strike out. You have to write only clocks are used to measure time intervals. That is enough. Okay, next, types of clock based on display. This heading have to write. There are 2 types of clocks based on display. First one is analog clock, digital clock. First one, analog clock. Analog clocks look like a classic clock. Okay, it has 3 hands to show the time. It is look like a classic clock. Classic means paramparyamanadu. Okay, then 3 hands. What they are? Hours hand, minutes hand, seconds hand. Okay, first hours hand. It is a short and thick. This is very important. Short and thick. It shows hour. Then minutes hand, long and thin. It shows minute. ரொம்ப லாங்காக இருக்கும், தின்னாக இருக்கும். Show your clock in our home. Okay, it shows the minute. Seconds hand, it is long and very thin. It shows the second. That is enough. Okay, this one all no need to write. This is enough. It is short and thick. It shows hour. It is a long and thin. It shows minute. It is long and very thin. It shows second. That is enough for analog clock. Okay. Next, digital clock. The digital clock display the time directly. It is important. Okay. It shows the time in numerals or other symbols. It may have 12 hours or 24 hours display. Digital clock is display time டேரெக்டாக நம்ம வாட்சை பார்த்த உடனே சொல்லிடலாம் 11 o'clock 10 o'clockனு. பட் அனலாக் கிளாக்கில் நம்ம வந்து ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டில் நின்னா 5 minutes, நம்பர் 2ல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது 10 minutes அப்படின்றத we have to calculate. பட் டிஸ்பிளே டிஜிட்டல் கிளாக்ஸை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் டைம் டேரெக்டாக 2:20 2:30 தட் லைக் you have to set. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, it may have 12 hours or 24 hours display. Recent clocks are showing date, day, month, year, temperature, etc. Digital clocks are often called as electronic clocks. So you have to write fully this paragraph. Okay. Based on display, the clocks are 2 types. What they are? Analog clock, digital clock. Okay. The next, based on working mechanism, that is quartz clock and atomic clock. These clocks are activated by electronic oscillation which are controlled by quartz crystal. Okay, the quartz crystal மூலமா தான் இந்த clock வந்து electronic oscillation மூலமா working ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. இந்த quartz crystal control பண்ணும் இந்த clock. ஓகேவா? The frequency of vibrating crystal very precise. So quartz clock is more accuracy than mechanical clock. These clocks have accuracy of 1 second in every 10.9 seconds. The accuracy is very very important. 10.9 seconds. Okay. Next, atomic clock. These clocks make use of a periodic vibration occurring within the atom. These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second, 10 power 13 seconds. Is important. Then atomic clocks are used in GPS. You have to write the short form. Okay, no problem. The atomic clocks are used in GPS and GLONASS. Okay, this paragraph you have to fully write. That's all. So the clock question is very important question. Very big question, so study thoroughly. Okay, extra 2 question I will give, so note the question I will send. Now explain the question. Okay, the first question, explain common system of units. Explain common system of units. The ancient time we follow the 3 units, that is the FPS, CGS and MKS system. Okay, that system you have to fully write. This is extra question. First question, the question is explain common system of units. Okay, that is common system. Okay, FPS system, foot for length, pound for mass, second for time. Then CGS system, centimeter for length, gram for mass, second for time. Next, MKS, meter for length, kilogram for mass and second for time. This is also one 5 mark question. The another 5 mark question, this is extra 5 mark question. Okay, define accuracy, define precision, define approximation. Accuracy already I am told, closeness of a measure the value and actual value. கண்டுபிடிச்ச வேல்யூக்கும் உண்மையான வேல்யூக்கும் உள்ள closeness, that is accuracy. Okay, then precision, the closeness of two or more measurements to each other. நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்ச ரெண்டு வேல்யூக்கும் இடையில எது வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். Okay, precision is the closeness of two or more measurements value. Okay, approximation, this process of finding the solution by means of estimation. Estimation நம்மளா யூகிக்கிறது. Okay, நம்மளா approximately 400 something, 500 something, that like that. இப்போ அதுதான் approximation. Okay, so these three of them define accuracy, define precision, define approximation. This is also one 5 mark question. Okay, this is extra question you have to study. Already your book back side 14 2 marks having, then 2 5 mark question, extra 2 5 mark question I given. Okay, okay dears, study well. First you thorough the book back exercise. Okay, then study the another extra 2 5 mark question. Then I will send 21 words, book inside 1 words with answer. Already I had written the test, that same question. Okay, 20 question I will send. Study the 20 question also. So totally the one word is 41 words. Okay, that like, so you have to study thoroughly. Compulsory attend the teach meet. Okay, if you have any doubt means ask me in teach meet ma. Okay, thank you dears.